Hey, welcome back to Between the Keys. This is how to play Stay by Justin Bieber and the Kid Leroy. Hopefully I'm saying that right, Leroy. This is a 2-chord song. It's in B flat. Second chord you need is A flat. The intro is... 3 or 4 times round, so it plays B flat, C, D flat, A flat, and then goes around a few times. In the bass I'm just playing B flat down to A flat. Quite beautiful. And it's actually the melody of the song as well. I do the same thing I told you that I never would. Told you I'd change. And before we finish teaching you the whole song in record time, this is a Roland FP-30X. And you can find a link to it in the description and the pinned comment. If you want to get a piano, I like this one, and the affiliate links there do help the channel. You can also comment below with requests for other songs, if you like. Like and subscribe if you enjoy the video. There'll also be a link, if I remember to put it there, to my new piano teaching app, which I've just made, and is now live on the App Store on Apple. Very exciting. It's called Piano Quests. You can download it for free and check it out and let me know what you think. All the videos, most of my videos for YouTube are also on the app. How cool is that? All right, here we go. So we did the intro, and we're gonna go into the song. I do the same thing I told you that I never would. You could play minor 7 if you like on the B flat. I do the same thing I told you that I never would, and that is A flat major. Just those 2 chords. Told you I'd change even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, need you to stay. Get drunk, wake up, I'm wasted. Still I realize the time that I wasted. Can't feel like I can't feel the way I feel. I'll be messed up if you can't be right here. Oh, 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 3 times. Oh, oh, on the O's. I'll be messed up if I can't be right here. And verse 2. I do the same thing I told you that I never could. Told you I'd change even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. Need you to stay, need you to stay. I do the same thing I told you that I never would. Told you to change even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, I need you to stay. And then we go into verse 2. When I'm away from you, I miss your touch. You're the reason that I believe in love. It's been difficult for me to trust, and I'm afraid that I'm gonna mess it up. Ain't no way that I can leave you stranded, 'cause you ain't never left me empty-handed. And you know that I can't live without you. So baby, stay. Whoa, whoa. I don't think I sang that exactly right, but it's still just those 2 chords, man. Or lady, whoever you are watching this. Whoa, whoa, and again. I'll be fucked up if you can't be right here. Feel free to say the F word, or change it to messed up if you prefer. Do the same thing I told you that I never would. Finish with the chorus, going round and round again. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, need you to stay. One more time, I do the things told you that I never would. Told you I'd change even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. A little bit of soloing to finish. Style it out. We're under 5 minutes, 4.5 minutes, and I've taught you a whole song. How's about that? Once again, check out this piano in the description. Roland FP-30X. I offer online piano lessons. You can find a link to my website in the description too. The first lesson will be free if you like, if you want. And my piano app is live. I'll link it And this was Stay by Justin Bieber and the Kid Leroy. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Cheers.